Welcome back, everyone. Chris Drizga here with your mid-year market update for the Orange County industrial sector. The market softened a bit further this past quarter. We're now halfway through 2024, and we have a countywide vacancy rate of 4.18%, an average rental rate of $1.66 per square foot, and an average sale price of $389 per square foot. This is the first time in more than a decade that year-over-year lease rates have declined. Although nominal, it reflects an underlying shift in market dynamics. The sale velocity in the second quarter was flat, with only 38 buildings changing hands. The owner-user activity remains sluggish due to high mortgage rates and a price point that does not reflect the increase in debt service. At today's rates, an owner-user in a standard SBA scenario has a mortgage payment equal to $2.50 per square foot, not including property taxes. So depending on the building, that can be as much as double from what rent would be for that same building. So unless pricing comes down substantially, that gap will remain large enough to discourage building ownership. Notable leases for the quarter include Robinson Pharma. They leased 197,000 square feet in Costa Mesa. Daisy Nail leased 149,000 square feet in Garden Grove. And McKenna Labs leased 90,000 square feet in Fullerton. As for notable sales, Rexford Industrial bought 1901 East Roslyn Avenue in Fullerton for $94.2 million. Penwood Real Estate Investments sold 2040 and 2050 South State College Boulevard in Anaheim for $64.5 million. And a private family trust sold 3366 East La Palma Avenue in Anaheim for just under $18 million. You can visit my website, chrisdrizga.com, for the complete reports. I appreciate you stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you here next time.